Hello, welcome back or welcome to the NGS Super STEM Week discussion. As the Chief Investment Officer of NGS Super, I'm educated in finance, decades of experience as an investment professional. In this series, we're going to discuss how NGS integrates science, technology, engineering and maths into our investment portfolio. Now, if you love these sorts of subjects at school, you could even end up working in investments or even a superannuation fund like NGS one day. Now today, again, I'm joined with Dr. Rob. It's time to chat about quantum computing. So what is your role at NGS and how did you come to research this futuristic type of computer?
Yeah, so I'm a quantitative researcher at NGS, which basically means I help the investments team make decisions on how to invest our money. So I started researching quantum computing because it's something I believe has the power to change humanity for the better. I also do quite a lot of coding work at NGS, and so there's obviously a connection between my interests, my work, and quantum computing. So researching quantum computing obviously helps me learn more things about how computing systems work as well, which again is something I'm quite interested in.
So could you tell me a little bit more about quantum computing and why science is important for investors to understand?
Quantum computing is this emerging technology that uses ideas from quantum physics to basically construct these very specialized computers. So these computers use what are known as qubits as their unit of information, and that's a bit different from the traditional binary bits that are used in our normal computers and also the supercomputers. So importantly, these qubits are much more powerful at performing certain tasks, and this means that quantum computers have the potential to solve incredibly time-consuming and very complex problems. This is because these qubits essentially can use a lot more information than a traditional binary bit. So as an investor, I think we need to understand some of the technologies behind quantum computing. And this is because there are many different competing technologies. Being in its sort of early stages of development, there's not a widely accepted single technology around the quantum computing landscape. So this presents a bit of an investment risk, as there is a little bit of a risk that some technologies could perform better than others in the future. So as an investor, we need to understand these technologies and these risks so that we can make the best decisions on behalf of our members.
So this sounds like a huge area of opportunity. Could you tell us a little bit more about why it's important and what you've uncovered as part of your research?
So I guess having an academic background has really helped when looking into quantum computing. The biggest thing I've taken away from this background that I have is it's helped me to develop critical thinking skills. And of course, when you're looking into a very complex topic like quantum computing, these critical thinking skills really help me cut through the noise and separate fact from fiction. I can also use a lot of the techniques I learned in my PhD when conducting this kind of research. The most important thing from our research about quantum computing is that we strongly believe it has the potential to help solve a lot of problems across a lot of different industries and really change the world for the better. There is something to keep in mind though, a usable quantum computer is still potentially several years away, and we need to think about developing the quantum algorithms that can be used to help solve humanity's biggest problems. But who knows, maybe one day in the future, we could actually be using a quantum computer here at NGS to make some of our portfolio construction and investment decisions.
So how do you apply this research in the context of investing?
I guess quantum computing being sort of a relatively new technology and still being developed, investments in startup companies are an obvious route here. And in fact, here at NGS, we've actually made some really exciting investments in a quantum computing company that is trying to design the world's first commercially viable quantum computer. This company is called Quantum.
Well, thanks, Robert. It's really fascinating to think about how computers work and how the way you use them could change with new technology. NGS Super is focused on investing in new technologies to create a sustainable future. Additionally, we're exploring emerging areas like quantum mechanics, what we've just heard about, and space. These investments not only address significant challenges, but also deliver strong results for our members. Our investment team relies on experts in engineering, science and maths. So working on these skills in your studies can lead to careers that are both exciting, rewarding and beneficial to society.